everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making chocolate chip cookies. I'm so excited, like I'm gonna get to eat them. Okay, so I've got all my ingredients here. So it's just like plain flour, caster sugar, brown sugar, an egg, vanilla essence, butter, and I just went and got chocolate chip cookies like literally 10 minutes ago. I'm just gonna look at the recipe. Preheat oven. Okay, I need to preheat the oven. Get a bowl. Stir in flour and stir in dark chocolate bits. Okay. How much flour do I need? Well, that's not the right cup. Bro. Well, after like a fabulous start, I can't find anything in this kitchen. I'm just gonna guess, like, I feel like that's fine. What's 3/4 times 2? I don't know, I feel like add it, it's in the dishwasher. This is a lot of flour. So 1 cup and 3/4 of flour, it says. And then the chocolate bits. How many grams is this? 200 grams. It only says 150, but I'm going to put all of them in because, like, yum. I thought this was like the last bit anyways. Fuck, I missed a step. Whoops, I missed a step. Okay, I need another bowl. I need to warm this butter up. And then sugar. How much sugar? Half and half. Okay. I can't open it. Awkward. Okay. And half a cup of caster sugar. That's about half a cup, I reckon. And half a cup of brown sugar. Oh my god, I almost just dropped the egg. I'm literally going to smash something and it's not going to end well. I want to put extra brown sugar because I love brown sugar. Okay. It's half a cup of brown sugar as well. And then it says beat the sugars and the butter together. And an egg. I mean, I can't be bothered getting an electric beater out, so I'm going to do it myself. Okay, and now I'm going to put the butter in. It was like 150 grams of butter, I'm pretty sure. And is beating the same thing as whisking? Because I'm just going to whisk. I mean, is that... I feel like that's wrong. I can't believe I skipped a step. I'm like not a very good cook. Okay, and now I think I need to put like the egg in until smooth. This is not smooth. I feel like this is smooth. I have no idea where the beater is. Oh well, we're just gonna wing it. Okay, let's add the egg. And vanilla essence. I don't know how much it says, I'm just going to guess. It's really enough. Well. Oh my god, yum! Do you guys see that? I'll show you. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm like a chef. Like, literally. It's really fucking hot. I'm breaking a sweat. It's you and me moving at the speed of light. Just I actually love Chris Brown. Like, I was jamming to that song today at work for so long. Like, I had it stuck in my head and I'd just be singing it like all day. Okay, I feel like that's like mixed enough. Okay, now we have to, I feel like I need to change bowls. Oh my god, how many bowls am I using? Let's grab another bowl. Bro. It says stir in, but like, I need a bigger bowl, so I'm just gonna put it all in. By the way, this is the bowl with the chocolate chips and the flour. I knew that the chocolate chips were like one of the last steps. Moving at the speed of life, just jamming down. Now I need to scrape this. I remember when I was younger, my mum used to like cook, like bake heaps of stuff. And we'd come home from school, and because there was like 5 kids, they'd literally be all gone within like one day. So she gave up baking. I feel like it needs more like liquid. Does it? Maybe a little bit more vanilla essence. Let's just add vanilla essence. Do you guys know what's like really good? You know how at like at Coles or Woolies you can buy like that sausage thing of like cookie dough? My friend Louis, he used to like just bring it to school and eat it because he loved cookie dough. He even had cookie dough in his school jacket. That means that's how much he loved it. Okay, this is like, alright. By the way, I did wash my hands before I started. It's a bit crumbly. Yum. I feel like I need to add more like liquid. Let's just add more vanilla essence. This is what it looks like. I feel like it's supposed to be more like, you know, not like that. I'm literally just excited to eat them. I'm gonna grab a tray. It's like I've waited my whole life for this one night. To be me, you on the dance floor. Some baking paper, and then it literally says to like roll them in balls. Some. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. I have no idea how big to put them. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. You should like let me know if you want me to do more cooking videos, because like I love not that I love cooking, but like, I mean, I love eating the food that I make. And I feel like this was fun. Oh my god, because I was trying to figure out what to film, and then I was kind of like, let's do like a cooking video. And then I was like, oh my god, chocolate chip cookies. I think because I was like craving chocolate chip cookies at the time. And then I was like, oh my god, yeah, I want to do it, I want to do it. And then I was like, I don't know when or like where, or like, obviously in the kitchen, but like, you know what I mean? And then I was like bored when I finished work because I had work today. And then I was like, I'm just going to go get some chocolate chip cookies. And then, chocolate chips. And then I went and got dinner. I got Macca's, lol. But yeah, so that happened. And then now here we are. 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 15, 18 cookies. That's a lot of cookies, guys. I could feed like me for one day. This is what they look like. I don't want it to fall, but let's put them in the oven. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, let's set a timer for 15 minutes. Okay, I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. I honestly don't know if that's what, like, how they're supposed to be. Like, I feel like they should have been like more smaller, maybe more flatter, I don't know, but anyways, YOLO. It's been like 14 minutes. I'm waiting for the timer to go off. But yeah, I'm super excited to eat these because I'm really hungry, even though I just had Macca's, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm so excited! Woo! I'm literally just watching the timer go down. But as you can see, I cleaned while I waited for them to cook, which is the good idea. But yeah, so oh my god, they're done. Okay, I'm gonna check. Oh my god, no, I burnt them. These ones are better, but I burnt those ones. How sad. Wait, why did those ones? Fuck. I mean, they're still soft. Anyways, at least I have 6 good ones. These ones, maybe not so much. It's a bit annoying. But anyways, so this is a learning lesson. Don't let Taylor cook cookies because I can't even cook cookies. I mean, if we just like move these ones away. These ones are fine. Have a look, guys. Oh. Guys, see, I'll pick it up. There we go. Do you see that? It's a good cookie. By the way, guys, I burnt my finger. Like, okay, so I was switching them around. I put like the bigger tray on top and then a smaller tray down the bottom. And I think that's why they cooked like that. Anyways, but when I went to like change them, I didn't like double do the tea towel, so I was only on like one like layer, and then my finger burnt, and it's fucking stinging, and like, yeah, I feel like I'm not a good cook, but oh well. I'm like literally, like, I don't understand how it went like that, but I mean, these ones are fine. Oh my god, they're literally so good. Oh my god. Oh, amazing. If you guys could taste this, it'd be good. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you want to... Sorry. Subscribe if you want to see more. And let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make some more like cooking videos, because like I can cook. I promise I can cook. Like, I don't know what happened there. That's not my fault. But yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!